Okay, hello. Today I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to remove blank rows from a range of cells. The first way, and probably I think the easiest way, unless you have a huge data set, is I'm just going to select this range here, go to Data, Sort, and then I'm just going to add all my columns. Sort it. There we go. Now my blanks are at the bottom, and I have a nice clean data set. There's also, that may not work if you have a ton of columns. That could be really cumbersome. There's another way to do it where I'm just going to select my range, go to Home, find Select, go to Special, pick blanks here. There we go. Highlights my blank cells. Then here in the cells box, again on the Home tab, I'm just going to go delete sheet rows. There we go. And then I got rid of my blanks that way too.